Do you know how to add a profile picture to your LinkedIn profile and edit it? If you want to learn, then watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq Khan and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. In the previous videos we had learned about the do's and don'ts of a profile picture, that what type of profile picture you need to upload to your LinkedIn profile. In this video we are going to learn that how you can upload a profile picture to your LinkedIn profile and how you can edit it to have a perfect headshot that is recommended for a great LinkedIn profile, for an impressive LinkedIn profile. So we will go to the LinkedIn Live environment and we will learn there. We will upload a profile picture there and we will learn. So going to the LinkedIn live stream. Now in the LinkedIn live stream, I have profile Shareable Network, and here I am going to upload a profile picture. Now to upload a profile picture, you can click on the edit button, and on clicking on the edit button, here will be visible another editable option, and you need to click on this pencil type option, this pencil icon, and when upon clicking on this option icon, then here there are the your profile picture is visible, and you can click on the change photo. You click on the change photo, then it will open the folder from where you can upload a profile picture. So I'm going to upload for this profile picture, the updated one profile picture, and uploading this profile picture you need to reposition it. You can zoom it here, and you need to reposition it in such a way that it should be a perfect headshot. Like if I zoom it somewhat more, then it becomes much more clear and much more, and you can straighten it. You can it depends upon you that how much if you need to rotate it somewhat, then it depends upon you. Now you can also crop it. You can also you had cropped it, and now you can filter it. You can apply some filters, good filters, like you want to some classic options, you want some edge options, so you can edit it also. Now along with you can also adjust some brightness, some contrast, and different other settings here, and contrast, and you can also go for the saturation if you want to edit this picture. Now after going to this picture, you can click on the visibility, and on the visibility it means that either you want your profile picture to be visible to your connections only, to your network only, and the different these are the first connections, like a connection mean that these are the first connections to your network, and up to 3 degrees away connections, and to all LinkedIn members, or you want to show your profile picture as a public, it should also be shown in the searches of Google and Bing, like in the search engine searches, like it will be visible there. So you can select the visibility, and I would recommend that go for the public option to, like, your profile picture should be visible because it's your digital brand. Then click on the apply, and this profile picture will be uploaded. So you need to select, like I have already told you, that you need to select a high quality profile picture, because a high quality profile picture, because it's your digital brand, it's your professional brand, so you need to upload a high quality profile picture. So this is all about that how you can upload a profile picture, and how you can edit it. There are different editing options available here. Now this is the process of uploading and editing a profile picture for a LinkedIn profile, and to create a perfect headshot that is recommended for a great and impressive LinkedIn profile. So if you had still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe it, and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform. Also share the videos with your friends and colleagues. Also follow Startavation on Facebook, on Instagram, and on LinkedIn. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.